Thursday, Friday, and
In
Saturday.
this video, we're going to talk about
red means you're closed.
how to
So
customize
here,
the
I'm
look,
closed on
the
Sunday.
feel, and how to
You
brand
can
the
easily
online
change
scheduling
red
page
to green just by
to
clicking
your
on the
website
button.
brand.
So now I'm open on Sunday also.
So to do that, you're going to go
and you
to
can hit save regular
company.
business hours. So now I'm open
And
every
the
day
first
of the
thing
week.
you're going to do
But as an example,
is
let's say I don't want to work Sunday and I don't
click
want
on
to work
choose
Monday,
file.
but I do work
So
Tuesday
this is
through
uploading your logo.
Saturday. And on Wednesday, you notice it's 11 to 7. So let's
And
say
this
on
is my
Thursday, I
logo.
also work 11 to 7. So you just click the drop
You want
down
your logo
here,
to be less
select
than
the
2
time.
gigabytes.
press
Go ahead
save
and hit
regular business
save.
hours, and this, your hours
So now your
will
logo
then be
is on your page.
reflected on your
See it
calendar.
right there. Then you can go to
So
scheduling
notice
page,
on
look and
Tuesday,
feel. And what I tend to do
I'm open 9 to 6.
is
and
open
the
up
gray
another tab
represents
so I can see what this looks like.
the times I'm
And
closed.
so you can see my logos there at the
and
top.
on Wednesday, I'm
Here are all of my
closed
services.
from 9 to 11 because I'm not open on that day.
And so I want my buttons to match the colors in my
And
logo.
yellow means this is today.
So
So
I'm
that's
like the
setting your
button
availability
color.
in Appointment Hero.
Let's go with that color. Then you can always refresh.
Hey everyone, welcome
That's
to
a
this
little too
tutorial
pink.
on adding services.
So maybe we'll go a
To
little
Appointment
dark
Hero.
and hit choose.
To add services to Appointment Hero, scroll down to where you see services under settings. And you'll
You
see
can also,
download
if you have
services
the
here.
hex code
So
here,
the first thing you'd
if
like
you know
to
what
do
I'm talking about,
is
you can
add a
also include
category,
that.
and you can add all of your categories
let's go with
by
this
clicking
purple.
the Add Category button. And since I
that looks a little
we do
better, maybe a little
facials,
less purple.
we do
Maybe that
massages,
would do.
and so those are going to be our categories.
That's a little
And
better.
so
And so you can do, the button text color is
your
white,
skincare
which is fine.
category.
Your accent color, you want the
You see
same
the
as your button
success
color.
message.
That accent color is
Go
gonna
ahead and do a custom
show these up here,
massage.
and you see that it shows services. And we probably want this a little darker, right?
And then I'll even do.
So we're gonna go with that color and that color. Same with the menu text color. You can pretty much do these all the
specialty
same if you would
massage.
like. That's a lot better. If you had if you
I have
upload
these three
images
categories.
for your services, you would say yes here.
And then I'm going to add services to them. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add service.
And then for a background color, if
You
you
give
want
it
a
a
background, you
name.
can leave it as
This
white.
is the name that your
Or
customers
you
are
can
going to
choose
see
a different background color.
on your
I wanna
booking
see what this
page.
looks like.
Same with the
Perfect.
description. You give it a
So
duration.
now I've set up the look and feel of
You can
my
also do a setup time and also
online
a
booking
cleanup
page,
time.
and it matches my branding as you can
And
see in the
so
logo
your
here.
setup time is basically
and this
allowing
is the
you
link
to these
to
times
your
allow you
online
to add
booking
bumpers
site
between your appointments
that you can put on
and
your
they will
website. So
automatically
you can just
block extra time
click to
before,
copy it,
which is your
and then
setup
say
time,
okay.
or after,
Then
which
when
is
you
your
paste
cleanup
it,
time.
you'll see that this
Now, I
is
generally
your booking
recommend
link.
only using cleanup times to avoid large gaps between appointments.